What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the SiLoKe Meta Quest 2 head strap with battery mount bracket. Now, this strap allows you to mount your own battery pack into a clamp on the top of the head strap or above your head. And this clamp is also removable for sessions where you don't want to use a battery pack. As for this video, it's featured on the Oculus Meta Quest playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. On that note, this product was sent to us for this unboxing and review. I'm also excited to announce that the code TECHCRACKED gets you 10% off at checkout on Amazon.com. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Contents include the head strap, battery mount bracket, USB cable with Velcro for organization, and product information. Now, as a side note, a battery pack is not included here, so one would need to be purchased. That being said, it looks like the battery clamp maxes out at a width of 3¼ inches, so that's the allowable maximum for a battery pack. So let's talk more about the head strap, which features a black and white theme, which will match perfectly with the Quest 2 headset. The unit features soft, airy foam padding to maximize comfort. These soft pads are also velcroed into place for easy removal to optimize cleaning. Each side of the head strap features 2 angle adjustment points to maximize comfort, as well as a fit wheel at the back of the unit. It features a ratcheting mechanism similar to other head strap fit wheels. Again, the battery pack mount bracket is not installed on the head strap itself, which means the head strap can be used this way. So let's talk assembly. Now, if you've watched my other head strap videos, you'll notice that those head straps generally install onto the headset by snapping into place over the headset strap, just like so. But this head strap installs slightly different. In fact, it slides onto the headset strap or arm, and it's going to be a nice, tight, secure fit. In fact, it's so tight that I'm going to have to finish this off camera because I have to get the other side started, which allows us to install this head strap a little bit easier. But the fit is so tight and snug, this is what gives this head strap a benefit over other head straps. Once the head strap is installed, the battery mount bracket slides into place on the middle head strap arm. And this is going to be nice and smooth, and it actually clicks into place. Now, this battery mount bracket can also easily be removed by pulling up on the mount itself and just kind of sliding it a little bit. I'm going to turn this around so we can do the same thing on this side, and then we can just slide it off. So as you can see, that comes off really easy. It's not hard to install or remove. Next, we can install our battery pack. Now, for this video, I will be using a smartphone because it has similar dimensions and weight to a battery pack, and it can also charge the headset. However, this means we'll have to use a USB-A to USB-C adapter for the included cable. We can then plug our cable into our smartphone, and then the other end into the headset. Now, as you can remember, we have that included Velcro strap, and we're going to wrap this around the arm, and then we're going to grab our cable, and we're going to secure it in place. And this works perfectly. It just keeps the cable more organized, so hopefully we're less likely to get stuck on things. Now, one thing I do want to mention, if your cable does stick out quite a bit, like this one here, we can actually move our smartphone a little more to the other side, and that will give us a better position for the cable itself, so hopefully it doesn't get taken off when we use this during play. And as you can see, this arm dropped here. This isn't a huge deal. When we actually have the head strap on our head, this will actually be held in place by our head. But you can see if you have a heavier battery pack or a smartphone, that arm can drop. But this is nice to demonstrate too for the different articulation points of the head strap. Again, We have that arm that holds the battery pack or our phone. And then we have the arm right here, which will also pivot. We get a little angle adjustment there as well. Now, an important note, if you're going to use a phone with your head strap, something to keep in mind, my device did charge the headset, but at a slower rate. As for performance, I had no issue with my phone staying in place during a 30-minute session. Now, with the battery being on top of the head strap, you would think this would be a burden, but I didn't feel like this was overbearing. Head strap comfort is also good here, although I prefer head straps that feature a strap that goes from the back of the head strap to the front of the headset. These straps feel a bit more secure in my opinion. Overall, this head strap is a great option for those who want good comfort with the option to add your own battery pack. So let's talk head strap install. Now again, of course, we've got the phone mounted on there. That's going to be our battery pack. And as for weight, this doesn't seem all that heavy. But we're going to put this on. I'm going to loosen up the back portion with that fit wheel. And then we're going to place this on. And again, all these other parts, they are angle adjustable, so we can get this where we want to. I am going to say that this is initially very tight. These different portions are a little bit difficult to move. But once I get this in place, this feels really good. I'm trying to see if the phone is mounted overhead. This actually feels really good. I don't know how it looks because, of course, I'm in the headset. But one thing I did notice about this head strap is that with the Quest 2, sometimes you get that open area underneath. And with this head strap, that has been minimized. Other head straps, a lot more light comes in from the bottom. But just the way that this unit is designed, it blocks out a lot of light at the bottom, which is good. It makes your experience more immersive. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything you buy from storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon, check in out. Yeah.